Brunner Fishing Posse is intended to be a family-friendly outdoor channel. Please keep comments family-friendly.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Brunner Fishing Posse. In today's episode, we fished two lakes located in the northeast corner of the lower peninsula of Michigan. The first lake that we stop at is Black Lake, located in Sheboygan County. Black Lake is gigantic and spans for over 10,000 acres. It's a home to a variety of different species. In the second half of the episode, we fished Tomahawk Creek Flooding, located on the border of Montmorency and Presque Isle counties. Tomahawk Creek Flooding is nearly 600 acres and also has a variety of different species. Both of these lakes are listed on page 14 of the Michigan Fishing Regulations as no size limit northern pike lakes. If you or your family are interested in fishing a no size limit northern pike lake, they're absolutely fantastic to bring kids to, and there's well over 100 of them in Michigan. The way these regulations work is that you're allowed to keep up to 5 pike, but no more than one of those 5 pike can be 24 inches or greater. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the content, please take a moment to like and subscribe. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh. Good job, pal. Oh, what a walleye. Bring him right over. Real. That's your first walleye.
My entire life, outdoors has been my passion. I grew up in northern Michigan with woods and water right out the back door, and life has always been a never-ending pursuit of the next outdoor adventure. As a parent, one of the most fulfilling things in life is being able to pass down my knowledge of the outdoors to the next generation, which creates great memories along the way, and
the next great memory.
The next great memory starts now. On the way there, we had to stop in Atlanta, Michigan and get some groceries. Once we had everything we needed, we were headed to the cabin.
What's up, Noah?
Good to see you. We're here.
My cousin has owned this cabin for 22 years. When you look around, the entire inside is filled with preservations of memories. All of this taxidermy isn't just my cousin's, though. Some of it is from my great-grandfather and 2 of my great-uncles who are no longer with us. As you can probably imagine, there's a lot of sentimental value here. The next morning, we were up bright and early. The best way to start a day in the outdoors is with a full breakfast. After that, it was off to the lake. After getting the line set and patiently waiting, we finally connected with the first fish.
This is what we need. It's a walleye bite.
Okay, we'll get
Big one.
Yes.
That is a 20 plus probably. Good job, Noah. Good job, buddy. What a fantastic inland Black Lake walleye. Way to go, buddy.
And a little while later, we connected with another one.
Nice.
Grab him, Chad. There you go. Wow, what a great walleye.
Nice.
Can we another keeper?
Good job, buddy.
Another keeper.
Yeah, right under the lip.
After catching those walleye, we decided to head back to the cabin to dry our clothes, have some lunch, and get ready for the afternoon bite at Tomahawk Creek Flooding.
See you later. You're gonna be eating.
See you later. You're going to get eaten.
We can.
As soon as we had the line set, the action started.
Get it out. Get it out. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Take your time.
Go.
Pull him up. Let go, let go.
Nice.
You caught a pike, dude. Oh my gosh. What a fish. High fives. High fives. Yeah. Wow. What a great fish. Oh yeah, it's running. He's there. It's a pike.
I made it just in time. Sent out of the water.
Great pike. Good job, buddy.
Robbie. There.
Keep tension on it. Bring him up.
Keep it.
Get it, Noah, get it. Dude, you know that's a great pike. Holy crap, that's the biggest one yet. Wow. Cool. Look at that fantastic pike. Good job, Noah. Got another flag. We got another flag. That's a big bite. Look at that. Good job, Lucas.
After a fun fight, we put another beautiful pike on the ice.
Wow. Good job, Lucas. That's a great pike. Good job, buddy.
And that wrapped up a great day of fishing. On that note, we were headed back to the cabin to clean these fish and have a fish fry. After adding these no size limit pike to the 2 walleyes we had back at the cabin, we had plenty of fish for a great dinner. It's hard to not appreciate a great catch like that in northern Michigan. Once we got back inside the cabin, it was time to get the fish cleaned. This time, I'm using both an electric and a manual knife to fillet these fish. Once you get the hang of it, an electric knife is a great help for filleting walleyes. As always, don't forget the wings. And especially, not the cheeks. I like to use a peel and cut technique to remove the ribs. There's a few different ways to remove pin bones from the center of the walleye fillet. In this case, I'm just cutting to one side of the pin bones, starting the other side, and then peeling them out. This is a technique if you want the fillet to remain intact. This technique is called zippering. If you want to remove the mudline and pin bones from the rest of the length of the fillet, you can disregard the last step. Some people scale the wings, but I choose to skin them. Here's an example of zippering the entire walleye fillet. Next up is filleting the pike. This time I'm going to boneless fillet the 2 larger pike. I'm planning to pickle the 2 smaller pike, so I won't be removing the bones from those fillets. There's a few different ways to clean pike. The tail section is always boneless, so you can remove that first if you want. After that, you can skin the fillet or wait until the end to skin it. Next, I sweep over the tops of the Y bones using just the weight of the fillet knife. After that, I scoop the underside of the Y bones and remove the entire strip. Everything left is boneless. As you saw in the last couple episodes, my egg wash is 1 egg to 1 cup of whole milk. I like to let the fish set in it for about 15 minutes on the counter before frying it. This is just a breading that I found at the store. Generally, I try to find something with high cornmeal content. Time to get these fish fried up. These cast iron woks are perfect for frying fish. I love how they maintain the oil at a consistent temperature. There we have it, a beautiful platter of fresh pike and walleye that were swimming earlier today. And of course, we have to make some fries for the kids. How about that for a fantastic Northern Michigan dinner? And you know it was a great day of ice fishing when your kids fall asleep like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like and subscribe.